Double exposure video. Now, let's see how to create double exposure videos. Double exposure is a cinematic technique where two different images or video clips are superimposed over each other, creating a layered effect. This blend of visuals can convey complex narratives, add depth to storytelling, or simply create an aesthetically pleasing effect. To create double exposure videos, first, import any two video clips. Click on the Import button and select your video clips, then click on the Open button. After importing the videos, drag and drop the first video onto the timeline. Next, drag and drop the second video onto the B-roll track on the timeline. Double-click on this B-roll video to select it. Go to the Editing panel, scroll down, and click on the Blend option. In this tab, you have a default mode. Click on this button and select Hard Light. Turn on the keyframe for opacity, setting it to 0. After a few seconds in the video, turn the opacity to 100%. After 2 seconds, trim this video. Drag and drop this video onto the C-roll track on the timeline. Go to the Editing panel, click on the mode, and set it to default. Turn on the keyframe for opacity, keeping it at 0%. Then, after one clip, set the opacity to 100%. You can now see the final output of this video.